Hello my friends, here is the Singer 201 sewing machine, manufactured 1953, recently serviced and runs like a champ. It's beautiful, and now we'll show you how easy it is to thread it and how it runs and sews meticulously well. It is also known as a tailor's sewing machine back in its day because it was the classy one of its time. Okay, first we're going to show you about threading the Singer 201.
Okay.
And okay, now we just stick it through the needle. Yes, notice this is threaded from the inside. And here we go. Right, we're showing a little sample here. Just taking it easy, not going full speed. Up and around. Ooh, listen to that, how nice it sounds. Let's see how the back side looks. Okay. Well, beautiful. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, let's just run this baby, see how it sounds. Purrs like a kitten. Now it's going backwards. Okay.